Hi, I'm Jean Collins, Superintendent of Burlington Public Schools. I'm really excited to talk today about the Sustainability Academy at Lawrence Barnes. This academy is focused significantly on project-based learning and what students can do, particularly in the areas of sustainability, including energy. And already, with the school just opening this fall, I have challenges on my desk on how we serve our school lunches, whether the materials we use are recyclable or not, whether we need to get a dishwasher in, and these are issues coming forward from students. Students are identifying within the school areas of carbon footprint and sustainability and how we might make changes, and our anticipation is that the students at these schools will identify things that will actually affect the entire district and help in the concept of sustainability and energy savings throughout the entire district.